everyone. What's up, Jasmine? And I'm back to show you some slime and stuff like that. Slime. It's just gonna be slime. It will be two slimes. So it's a pink one and a white pearly type color. It's a white pearly type color. Right now I'm standing at the bus stop, so yeah. And I'm gonna be showing y'all guys my two slimes. I was supposed to upload a video yesterday night, but I forgot because we went to Dollar General. We went to Dollar General yesterday, and we went to where did we go? We went to Winn-Dixie, and we was riding on the people little thing. Alright, so let's get straight. I'll be back to you guys when I set the camera down and check out my slime. And I'm back. So if you see two little girls, that's my sister. So I put this slime in one of them, and I put this slime in an ice cream container because it looked like ice cream. So let's see what the pink one hitting for. Hold up, let me put it on the road. Yeah.
Where you saying I gotta go on? Here.
Be careful because y'all got your new jackets on. Alright, so guys, this is my pink one. It's not fluffy or nothing. It's like a little jiggly. Hold it. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's time to get our bluebell sherbet pineapple ice cream. Alright, so this I made with foam. So if y'all hear that. Alright, so guys, I'm gonna stand up now. I'm put the camera back. So right now I'm going to show you guys this one. And yeah, guys, me and my sister Mason, we made some together yesterday. It's kind of, I'm gonna put this in slow motion so you guys can really type see. So it has glitter in it. I'm gonna put some lotion in it because it smells like dish soap. So I'm gonna put some
that one
dish
jiggly,
soap in there.
Guys, that one jiggly.
Both of them jiggly, kind of.
I can feel it. Oh!
So
that feels good.
I'll
You want to taste some blueberries?
So this is how it look when it's about to pull in the bowl from forward. Takes slow time.
Mine tastes like blueberry fruit. Here, taste it.
Alright, so guys, I'm not taking my sweater off because I'm not gonna show you what color school shirt I have on, but it's obvious it's gold. So I do have a gold school shirt on. And if you know any school that wear gold, that's good for you. It's one of me. So comment down in the section below if you guys want us to give me the giveaway slime. Cause if you live far away, I can mail it to you guys. And if you live close around,
we'll bring and get us a project.
I'ma still ship it to you guys. So yeah. Alright, I'm about to scratch it close up to the camera. So hold up, guys, cause
Y'all made that group stuff last night.
you told her yeah?
No, you told her yeah.
No, she said if we put up that food last night. Alright, I was just talking to my sister, guys. You might see stuff plopping off. That's
That's water.
don't mind that dog because that's JJNA, Jelani's dog, aka Jelani's dog, cause we live right across the street from her. So,
That's our cousin.
all right, so guys, I'm about to make a bubble.
Where you get the water from? That thing is like
I'm about to give you guys the pop sound.
Cause she put some.
Heard that? It's jiggling, see the? It's not so much of jiggle. I should have put it in a process, but y'all, I'm so sorry because I was trying to do it in a process, but I couldn't because I don't know, I just forgot. So I'm gonna put it back in the bowl and
Put it on everything.
so my sister is gonna record me doing it. So, so bring it up close to them so they can see. And guys, I have glitter on my hands, but look, if you back up far away from yourself and swing your hand like that, it's gonna come on. So it's inside the bowl.
Inside. That slime really looks hard, but it feels so good.
Yeah, like guys, if you would have felt this
In person.
it feels so good. But if it was hard, it wouldn't be able to do this. So guys, let me give you guys a pop song. Bring them down. Hold the bowl, Ray. Hold on.
Come here. Oh, that's nice.
Okay, guys, see this pop sound. We're gonna have to do it again. I ain't hear really much of a pop.
Yeah, I didn't either.
Alright.
Put it in my school.
Stop screaming on my thing.
Okay.
Hold it, Ray. Let's see, we hit some this time. I heard 1, 2, 3,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But stop for she little straight.
Alright, so guys, I'm gonna put this back in a bowl and leave it in a bowl.
Alright, you doing pink slime?
I'm gonna do the pink slime now after I get the glitter from the slime. The glitter from the slime, or from the first slime, off my hand, and I'll be right back. And I'm back, guys. I am back. So I got as much as I can off my hands. Off this one, hold up, guys. Off this one too, as much as I can. So now I'm gonna play with this pink one. So you see that bubble, and I know it might have 2 specks of glitter in here, but
It's alright.
it's okay because I'll pick them out like this. Okay, I'm picking them out. So now,
Some of the glitter is on the top.
yeah, I know. So hold up. So this one, it look like it's liquid, but if you pour it out, it's coming. So I'm about to play with this one, and my sister is gonna be the camera girl. So hold up. I'm gonna turn the camera back.
What is this? Me?
Let my other sister take over the camera.
What is this?
Look how glossy it is. Look how glossy is it with the flash on. What you added in there? Nothing.
There's a fire.
Cause it look hard, but it really feels good.
It's fire. This girl crazy. This girl put the feet like this.
All right.
This queen fire.
All right, guys. I'm her sister. So
We're about to go walk to the city.
No, I'm about to scratch this for you guys so you can see that it's not hard. Cause you can see it's oozing down like this. Quick. It's oozing down. Show them this.
Mine's ready.
All right, so do it.
Stop. Don't hold on like that. Don't do it.
All right, I'm about to start recording.
All right, so
Do me now. You gotta do me.
I'll catch you guys next time, Mob, and I'm out.